It kinda sucks how you really just don't get it, do ya? Need me to tell you every little thing wrong you be doing. My time is way too precious to be wasted on you, so I'm just gonna make my way to something new. It's kinda funny when you try to tell me what to do, yeah. You really lost it in that money, also just won't do for me. You see, I got like 1, 2, 3 times 5 on my trying to buy my time. All a girl wants is a world full of tries with a whole lot of love and a sign from above. Sprinkle on that affection, dump on all the attention. I almost forgot to mention I didn't ask your opinion. I'm way too bad and the best you ever had. Promise you won't get too mad when I'm rising above the fat. You love me now, you won't me now. We'll come a little closer, let me tell you all about R.I.P. to you and me. Feel free to see your own way out on the money P. I like what does that even mean? I'm loving every second that I get to spend with me now. All a girl wants is a world full of tries with a whole lot of love and a sign from above. Sprinkle on that affection, dump on all the attention. I almost forgot to mention I didn't ask your opinion. Let me break it down again, cause you probably missed it. I'm sick and tired of you always written on my hit list. I'm a princess with a palace, so tall that the sky is my best friend. Now I'm floating in the ocean, made by your lack of devotion. But I'm sure by now you so zoned out, you forgot what I'm all about. Yeah, even when I scream and shout, your jaw be so far from your mouth. I'm dropping gems up in the gym 5 days a week at 4 a.m. Working so hard these longer nights, just got one life, gon' do it right.